Alright, guys, everybody's here today. We got four sprinters and uh, John's wine over there. We're all here, so we'll see where we're gonna go. Thinking about going to Wild Rose and spend a day over there, do some hiking. But after lunch, they just got here, so let them rest a little bit first. You know, when everybody's here, it's all about food. So this is our first lunch. I'm gonna do a little food tour right now. Okay, what have you got today? I know it's barbecue pork and the it's a Chinese broccoli, beef broccoli, and we got the chow mein there, chow mein, and the beef stew. This is a Cambodian beef stew. Some law, machu krương sạch tô, and that is curry salmon. That I don't know.
Mẹ sai chứ không sai trai tí muối trai tí muối con na trai tí muối cho hết
Okay, we here today. Toast to grandma and grandpa with congratulations to the first granddaughter.
Wishing the baby healthy and wealthy.
Yay.
Smart baby.
Yay. All right, before we go any further, we got a little situation here. The road up, we're about like a quarter mile to go, but it starts to be slippery, incline, and we're not a 4x4. We only have one 4x4, so I don't think we're gonna make it up there. I got slipped a couple times already, so I think we're just gonna back down to where we can safely park, and then we just spend some time there and maybe play with snow or hike up a little bit. But to be safe, I don't want to take a risk. You can see how smooth it is. Yeah, the good news is it's okay to go back down, because you know you can just put in neutral and go back down, but there's a risk that you might just slide without any traction, with any control, and you're gonna run into a tree or something. So it's okay, better be safe than sorry. We're gonna go back down a little bit, because when I got up there it started slipping a little bit already, so it's all right. We didn't expect, because last night the storm came through and dropped a lot of snowfall on here. Hey, at least it's beautiful around here too. Look, at got some snow on the tree still. Nice. All right, let's go back down a little bit. We're having fun up here on the hill. Beautiful picture spot. Everybody lined up. So such a great picture over here, you guys. We're just having fun. Look at this beautiful scene. We came down, I mean we came up from that way, but you can see a car right there.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship is sailed.
And we're back at the camp. It's about 73 degrees. Very nice weather right now. A little bit breezy, but it's okay. 70 something. It's good, and we're wasting no time. We're preparing to cook again already, and it's about 5 o'clock. We're gonna try to cook before the sun goes down, and we're gonna enjoy the night over here. All right, we have Master Chef going on here. This is a competition, you guys. Okay, I don't know what's coming up over here, but a lot of veggies here. Oh, the napa. I think over here it's gonna be the napa and meatball soup. Okay, they're all Master Chef right here. And what's going on over there over too? Let's see. Okay, right here, Master Chef. It's gonna be some kind of salad. We're gonna see at the end.
We're gonna make
Lab, huh?
Yep.
That's in the salad in the Asian way. All right, here we're adding boiled eggs to the soup. It's like our main veggie tonight is going to be napa, the golden napa. Well, this is the veggie to go with that paste over there, right? Oh yeah. Look at this. The meatballs going into the soup right now. Chicken ball and pork. Okay. All right, looking good, but it's kind of overfilled right now. Yeah. All right, this is how this soup's gonna be, right? We got 3 different kinds of meatball. We got fish, we got shrimp meatball, and pork meatball, and napa and carrot. Oh man, a lot of going on over here. And we have one more thing. Okay, after the napa, we're gonna finish it off with this is roasted pork skin or something. Chicharron. Okay. Yes, pork skin. Pig skin. Yeah, this is the ready soup right here. So this is my bowl right here. Let's see what I have here. I got different meatballs, and this is the dumpling. Oh yes, the napa.
And you want pork?
Yeah, ready. Oh man, this is coiled egg.
Yes, something. Because I talk about it.
Yeah, lately sometimes I use my Bluetooth. You don't have to turn it
Good soup.
off and turn it back on.
All right, I'm gonna go for the rest.
Yeah. Now you fly, you stick
Oh man, that was good. Thank you everybody for cooking. Campsite was full last night. Very popular this time of the year. This morning we are already getting ready for the big breakfast. Man, we don't stop cooking. So this video you're gonna it ended up with dinner. Now we wake up with breakfast. This is my breakfast today. It's my croissant, scrambled egg, and bacon, and the sausage. Oh. Our today's plan, we're gonna take off from here to, we're gonna drive through Ridgecrest, California. We're gonna drop by the Pinnacle, where it's a unique area where they took a lot of movies in the area, like Planet of the Apes, Star Trek. It's about an hour from here, so we're gonna go that way. We are on our way back home, back to the same route. This route is beautiful to drive. Wide open road, beautiful mountains. I'm not tired of driving through here. Check this out, you guys. Along the road, we run into this lonely guy. He's a what do you call it? The wild mule, wild donkey. They're all over around here. They live around here. The whole family's on the other side. Everybody's stopping around along the road here and taking pictures. But they're awesome. Let's check. We'll go check out the other side. Hey guys. Hey guys. Now they become a tourist attraction. Everybody stops on the road. Check out these mules. We're here at this place is called Trona Pinnacle. This is where some of the movies took place, of like Planet of the Apes, Star Trek. They were taking place over here in some part, and we are just stopping by having lunch over here, and we're gonna drive through, discover the place. It's like a self-guide tour, self-tour guide, and we're gonna discover the area, see what it is. We've seen a lot of off-road vehicles coming by here, so it has to be a nice off-road area over here. This is BLM land. You see, no matter where we stop, there's no shortage of food. But in 5 minutes, look at this. Check out the soup right here. Hot soup right away. And we have some more. I think the uncle is looking for some more food over there. Misplaced some food over there.